Add a text. Next add a solid layer. Drag it below the text. Next apply fractal noise. Change noise type to block. Increase the contrast. Decrease the brightness to negative value. Change the width and height individually. Next add keyframes to the evolution. Next pre-compose the both layers. Next apply shift channels effect. Keep red channel on. Remaining channels off. Duplicate the layer 2 times. Change the names as red, green, blue. In green layer, on the green channel, and remaining channels off. Next in blue layer, on the blue channel, and remaining channels off. Next change the first 2 layers mode to screen. P to position. Alt click to add expression. Wiggle 2,10. Next copy the expression and paste it on position of remaining 2 layers.